Hello everyone, my name is Khalifa Libiru and today we are going to talk about Odoo point of sale. I believe we've all had a situation where we have multiple customers in pop-up shop, where we have to attend to multiple customers in pop-up shop, and after attending to those customers, they will be impatient to wait for us to place their orders. So in most cases, we just write down the name of the products that they picked, or maybe snap the pictures of those products, and afterwards we go on and place the order. Sometimes we get unlucky. Another customer will go to the website and place order for those items that have already been picked before we place the order, and that will cause commotion. It will result to refund and result to angry customers. So I've been looking around, looking for a way to ease our job. Handling multiple customers at a time is not an easy task. And then how do we prevent other customers from buying items that have already been picked? So that is when I come up. That is when I found Odoo point of sale. Odoo point of sale is an application on Odoo where everything is gathered in one solution. All the necessary tools are centralized in one place, and it makes it easy, way easier for us to handle everything at a time, and it help us save a lot of time. So please follow me as we exploit Odoo point of sale. So this is the dashboard of Odoo point of sale. It is required if we want to start a new session, that is each and every day. We are supposed to start with a new session, just to report what we made in that day. So, like I mentioned, Odoo, well, this thing is just focus on items on pop-up shop. Okay, so let's say we start a new session. Okay, so this will take some seconds before it finish loading everything. Okay. So as you can see, these are all the items that we have on in pop-up shop. Okay, as you can see, we have different multiple product categories, just as it is on the website, and in each category we have the items under that category. Okay, this is women bag, this is beauty product, so this is women's shoe, etc. So one good thing about Odoo point of sale is that when a customer picks something, when a customer wants something, instead of you to open two tabs, for you to go to front end, copy the name of the product and post it on sales. That is when creating quotation. Here it just simplifies everything. It's just for you to go to the product category, click on the product will appear here, and along with the price of that product. Let's say the customer wants to buy this DKNY bag, and then he picked this as well, and this shoe, and then wants to buy another shoe as well. So as you can see here, we all have the shoes here. There are variants attached to the shoes, like this one. It's just for you to pick which size the customer wants. Let's say he picked this and this and this. So let's say the customer wants to buy this in two. I mean, he picked he picked size 39 and 40. Okay, let's say he wants two of 39. Okay, all we have to do is click on this 39, click on quantity here, and then press 2. So you see it changes here that 2 units at 15,840, which total to 31,000 naira. So let's say the customer, okay, he feels, okay, this amount is too much for me. My budget is just 150, not 182. Okay, and then he wants to remove one of these shoe. He wants to pick one now. So all we have to do is was to click on this bag and then click on one. So the initial amount will come up here. So let's say he just feel, okay, say I actually need a discount for this amount. So we now want to offer him 5% discount for this and this as well. Okay, you see, instead of him to pay 42,820, he's paying 40,679 as a discount. Okay, let's just feel he still feels, oh, this is too much for me. I wanted to spend just 150,000 naira, so I don't like this mango ballerina again. So all we have to do is click on mango ballerina and then click on the backspace here. Okay, the product will just, so this is basically the basic. Okay, so let's say another customer comes in again, and then this customer is being too choosy and he wants to see another items as well. So and then another customer is here and you want to identify that customer. All you have to do is click on this plus sign and it will give you option to attend to the second customer's order. Okay, you can as well choose the items that the customer picked. Okay, let's say the customer, maybe he bought belt. Okay, you add it here. Come back, let's say clothing, we add this, etc. So now the second customer wants to make payment for his item. Okay, so all we have to do is click on payment here, choose the mode of payment. Is he paying with cash, is he paying bank transfer, or is he paying with his card? Okay, so if it is cash, you enter the amount that he gave you. Let's say the customer now gave you 90,000. Okay, Odoo will tell you that, okay, you have 320 naira change to give to that customer. If you have it there, you can give it. But if the customer waive it for you, you can you can just go on and then validate. And then let's say the customer wants to pay 50,000 naira. Um, let's say the customer wants to pay 50,000 naira cash and then transfer the remaining amount with bank. Okay, he wants to do bank transfer of the remaining amount. All you have to do is click on bank, or let's say he wants to use his card to make the other payment. Is for you to use the PO machine. Okay, so who is that customer that wants to buy this item? Okay, you can click on this customer here. If his name is already on our database, all you have to do is for you to search for the name. Let's say it is Musa Dua that placed the order. Okay, so you see we have, these are all the Musa Dua that we have. This is the address and this is the phone number. So it's just left for us to choose the actual Musa Dua that wants to buy the item. If it is a new customer, all we have to do is just click on this sign here for you to just add the name of the customer. Let's see, Odoo, that is the name of the customer. Street, you click on it and fill up the necessary information and then you save it here. Okay, so after everything, let's say, okay, so let's say this is the customer Musa Dua. I will set it. So after everything, if you want if the customer wants an invoice, you can click on this invoice option here. Or if he wants an email sent to him, you can click on here. Let's say he wants an invoice. As soon as you validate, it will automatically generate a receipt for that particular transaction. It will take you to where you want to print out the receipt. This is the receipt of what happened. Okay, it says that the total amount is 89,680 naira. He paid 50,000 naira cash and he used his ATM, and then he used the POS machine to make the remaining balance, and this is the discount that was given to him. Okay, so all we have to do is to click on print here if we want to print and issue the customer the receipt of his transaction. If he doesn't need a receipt, we can just cancel it. You remember we clicked on the invoice option. That is why it automatically generates an invoice for that particular customer. Okay, so after we are done with it, we'll go back to next order. So as you can see here, the order change from second to third order. Okay, so let's say we have another customer, while this first customer is still contemplating on the items that he wants to buy. Okay, we can just click on the third customer, attend to him sharp sharp, click on 4 5, like for as long as you want. Okay, so let's say this customer is being too choosy, and if he feels these items, and then he doesn't want to, buy this item. As soon as you press the negative sign here, it will tell you that, okay, do you want to destroy the current order? Let's say the customer just wanted to window shop. He just come to see the items that we have, pick it, and then he is not willing to buy. Yes, I want to cancel the order. Okay, so yeah, so the order has been cancelled. So let's say that's all for the day. We just received a single customer. So after working hours, when we are closed for the day, all we have to do is for us to press on close here. Yes, I confirm that I am through for the day. Okay, so after I'm done, if before closing everything, another customer walks in, I can simply click on Zoom, and it will take me back to the point of sale. So, but if I'm finished, all I have to do is for me to press this close here. Okay, it validate closing and post entry. That is when I am through for the whole day. Okay, this I will advise us to use this when we are closed for the whole day. Okay, so I'll validate closing and then post entry. Okay, it says that I only had one order, and which 89,618 naira was paid. Okay, so that is whole that this is just a brief introduction on point of sale. I believe this will help us in being faster and then being more accurate with our job. So thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.